Hi guys, so today I have some more review items for you from bornprettystore. So there's 4 items here. So the first one is this dual-ended tool. I've got the the sponge on one side, and the main reason I wanted to try this is it has on the other end a tiny stamper. I never actually realised there was glitter in it. That looks really cool, and it's one of the soft squishy ones. And then you might have seen a lot of nail artists using these recently. I did read that this is washable as well. I will do individual videos, so I'll go in more depth on it, of course, when it gets round to that time. I got this pack of stencils. So as you can see, there is varying thickness of wavy lines there, into the smallest on this side. Can't remember how many is in the pack, but there's quite a few sheets in there. And then the last 2 items were these stamping plates. So I've got this one here. This is called Valentine's Day. I bought this one because I like these, this sort of checkered pattern. I wanted to use it. And this one's also got the ability for you to layer the stamping up. So you've got like the base and then the outline, etc. on all these. And then the other one, which I've actually used, if you look at my nails, it's already on there, so you'll be able to see my thoughts on that and when that video goes live. This is their Spring Garden, and I just really like the different patterns that was on this one. It's really nice. There's a discount code for 10% off the website down below. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the videos using these items.